Hello everyone! Today I want to show you a review of a finished dress. Natalie came to work today in such a beautiful dress that I couldn't resist showing it to you. There's a seam on the waistline. This white waistband is sewn in. We show you a lot of complicated items and techniques. Today we decided to show you a simple way to make a dress. This dress is made using a basic pattern. Natalie changed the neckline and the sleeves and made the seam on the waist. Have a look at the tucks. There is one here on the side and one which goes to the waist. The waistband fits the body perfectly. Have a look at the back neckline. Very beautiful. I've already showed you how to make such necklines. The shoulders were open for about... How much did you open them? 8 to 10 centimeters. The sleeves are tiny. They were moved a bit lower and they fit the shoulders perfectly. They can even be made shorter. Natalie made this dress for herself, so it's very simple. The details were etched with an overlocker. Notice that the flowers are decorated with lace. Natalie couldn't make such dress without the lining. What else can I tell you? The back neckline was measured and first made on paper, and only then on fabric. A zipper starts from the neckline and goes to the skirt. This is a circle skirt. The lining is half circle. Very beautiful dress. Natalie looks amazing in it. Her accessories match the dress. The bottom was edged with the rolled hem. The lining was stitched with an overlocker and then overcast. The width of the overcast is 7 millimeters. The lining was made of cotton. The dress is very simple, but at the same time it looks amazing. Natalie, turn around please. I want everyone to see how beautiful you are. I think that her husband has something to worry about when she goes somewhere in this dress. Have a look at the collar. It was cut on a bias. It was stitched to the dress and then folded in half. You don't need a pattern to make such collar. Cut a straight stripe of fabric on a bias. I can see the overlocker stitching on the wrong side. You can edge the seam with the binding. Natalie doesn't have to do it. She's beautiful anyway. If we start making complicated haute couture clothes for ourselves, we won't have enough time to sew for our customers. I wanted to have a close look at the dress once again. That's all for today. Now you know that it's not hard to look good, be different and beautiful. We're Paukshte Irina and Natalie. Guys, please subscribe to my channel, write comments, share videos and press the like and the bell buttons. I really need your support. Thank you. Goodbye.